Good evening. Welcome to our channel. I am Nihita.
I am Aniket. Today we are going to tell you a story.
Hello, Aki.
Hello, Akka.
So, today I'm going to tell you a nice story about a rich farmer and his lazy son. In a small village, there used to be a rich farmer and his lazy son who used to spend all his money and didn't help his father in the farm works at all. So one day the father thought, I'm going to teach him a lesson. If he spends all my money, I will not have anything. And if he wastes his time, he will have no future. So he calls his uncle and says, today I was thinking of teaching my son a lesson because all he does is spend his time and money on useless things. So the uncle says, sure, send him to my house at 3 o'clock tomorrow. So it's the next day and the father tells his son to go visit his uncle. So the son goes and visits his uncle. So they both start walking around in his banana fields. Then the son asks, why did you call me here? The uncle says, I wanted to discuss a really important and a magical matter with you. The son says, what is it, uncle? I will help you with absolutely anything. The uncle says, I was thinking of making a magic potion which will make you so rich you can buy anything you want. The son excitedly says, what is it? What is it? I want to know. So the uncle says, I know I have all the ingredients except 10 liters of banana dew. Dew is something you see at the morning on leaves. There are small drops on leaves every morning, right? You might have seen them. That is called dew. So the son says, is it really necessary to have 10 liters of dew? The uncle says, absolutely, or else the magic potion won't work. So the son says, actually uncle, I don't want to help you with this. But the uncle says, no, you promised me that you'll help me. You said that I'll help you with absolutely anything, right? So please help me with this. I am old and you are young. I need your help to finish this potion. With this potion, we will do half so that we both will become rich. So the son didn't have any other option except for saying yes. So the son sadly goes home and thinks of ways to get 10 liters of banana dew. So first he starts collecting banana dew off one banana tree. But it takes him 3-4 months and he only has about this much of banana dew. It is very less. So he goes into his father's field. He plows the sand, put seeds, put water, put manure, and then they become trees, and then he starts collecting dew. So slowly, then he thinks, there are so many bananas, what am I going to do with these? First 2 days he started eating bananas, and the third day he was like, how many bananas I'll eat? I am full, I don't want to eat any more bananas. So he takes some bananas and starts selling them in the markets. So after some time, his purchases grow and many people start buying his bananas. So slowly he gets money. And then finally one day after 3-4 years, he collects 10 liters of banana dew. After he collects 10 liters of banana dew, he takes it to his uncle saying, I finished what I have promised. Here's 10 liters of the banana dew. Now we can start working on our magic potion. The uncle laughs and says, oh boy, there's no magic potion. The magic potion was your hard work. Look, now you have worked hard and you have money. Why do you need a magic potion when you can do it on your own? So the boy says, thank you very much, uncle, for teaching me the lesson. From now on, I promise to work hard and take care of myself with my own money instead of feeding off of my father's money. So what do you think is the moral of the story, Akki?
Never waste money.
And also, another moral is that you should,
Help your father.
no, you should try and earn your money on your own, and you should try not wasting others' money. And the third moral is hard work is true money. I hope you enjoyed the story.